How to fix microphone not working on Snapchat. Hello everyone, if you don't know why your microphone is not working, you've got the right video. Now I'll help you fix this problem. As you can see, my microphone works. I can write down a story and create something. To fix this problem, first let's go to the App Store. You have to make sure the applications is updated to the latest version. If not, make sure to upgrade it. The next thing we need to do is to open the settings and make sure that the microphone is working properly. So probably you can turn it off. So turn it on if that's what happened. If that doesn't help, through writing in the settings microphone and check if the microphone is turned on. In the worst case, I advise you to contact support and describe your problem. Thanks you for watching, like and subscribe to the channel.